In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear wiper blade. To remove the blade from the area, you're first going to have to remove this plastic trim piece. It's going to be fairly easy using a pick. We'll gently get under this area. Pop it up. Once you have that popped up, you can continue lifting up your arm and then remove the wiper blade from the wiper arm. Now it's going to be time to install your brand new wiper blade. Looking in the center, you're going to find the mounting rod. That needs to fit into this groove on the wiper arm. We'll take this and slide it into position. Go ahead and lock that down. Move over to that trim piece, lock that down as well. All right, at this point, your rear wiper blade's fully installed. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.